But how exactly do these AI-powered drones work? Let's dig deeper. The magic behind AI-powered drones lies in their advanced technology. Now, let's delve deeper into how this works. AI technology empowers drones with the ability to identify and analyze structural abnormalities automatically. This is achieved through machine learning algorithms, which are trained to recognize signs of damage or wear. Such algorithms can distinguish between a simple crack and a serious structural flaw, providing a level of accuracy that often surpasses human capabilities. What's more, these drones are not just about identifying problems, they're about providing solutions too. They collect and process data in real time, which means they can trigger immediate action if necessary. For instance, if a drone detects a critical fault in a bridge, it can alert the relevant authorities instantly, allowing them to take action before a catastrophic event occurs. So what does this mean for infrastructure managers and the future of infrastructure assessments? AI-powered drones are not just a trend, they're the future of infrastructure assessments. Imagine a world where the risks associated with dangerous and time-consuming manual inspections are a thing of the past. This is the world AI-powered drones are shaping. For infrastructure managers, these cutting-edge devices promise safer working conditions by reducing the need for humans to physically inspect hard-to-reach areas. But it doesn't stop there. AI-powered drones also offer more accurate data collection. By leveraging artificial intelligence, these drones can analyze infrastructures with an unprecedented level of precision, reducing the chances of human error. The cherry on top? Significant time and cost savings. Drones can complete inspections in a fraction of the time, translating to considerable financial savings. This technology is set to become the new standard for infrastructure assessments. The future of infrastructure assessments is here, and it's soaring high in the sky with AI-powered drones.